everyone, how are you? Hope you're all well. Hope you had a lovely half term. Now today I'm going to do the sound of the week, and this week our sound is B, B, B. If you put your hand on your throat, you can actually feel it when you say the sound B, B, B. So here we go. Down the laces to the heel, round the toe. Can you get your pinky pointers out and do it with Mel? We go down the lace to the heel, round the big toe. So Mel's got my pen and paper here, and then Mel's going to do it as well. So you can get your pen and paper out and do it at the same time as Mel. So we're going to start off and we're going to do down the laces to the heel, around the toe. And again, down the laces to the heel, around the big toe. So this one looks like this one, and the sound is B, 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 B. Now I found some things that begin with the sound B. I have got some B, B, B boots. I've also got some, that is B, B, B butter. I've also got a B, B bull. I've also got, this is something my son made me, and it's a B, B butterfly. Also, I've got some B, B baked B, B beans. And also in here, I have got, I found in my kitchen, some B, B, B bread. So let's see what you can come up with and see if you can find lots of things that begin with the sound B, 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 B. And again, we've got it here. So, again, one more time. Down the laces to the heel, round the toe. Okay, you take care. See you soon. Bye.